Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the tools that can be used to develop the compiler. LLVM. LLVM is a project which have multiple components. The core of the project is itself called LLVM. And this project, or you can say LLVM, contains all of the tools, libraries and header files needed to process intermediate representations and convert it into object files. The tools that are present in LLVM are assembler, disassembler, bitcode analyzer and bitcode optimizer. It also contains basic regression tests. C-like languages use the Clang, C-lang, or some are just pronouncing it as Clang. Basically, this is a front end. This component compiles C, C++, Objective-C and Objective-C++ code into LLVM bitcode, and from there into object files using LLVM. For more information, you can go to this website www.apt.llvm.org. Now we will see how to install LLVM. You can see here what website we have given. That website was app.llvm.org. When you go to this website, you can see how you can install the LLVM in your system. For example, you are using Ubuntu, then just look into this section and you can install the LLVM and the supporting packages like Clang and how to install LLD, like these type of tools you can install from here. Now, after installing LLVM, you can see the output of the each pages of compiler. For example, I have written here, suppose that we want to see the output of lexical phase of the compiler. Just I have written already in some directory lexical the code as well as the command which can be used to see the lexical analysis output. Just go to this directory and you can see here I have taken a file demo.c. This is a simple file which I have written in C language, and the command I have written here which can be used for just looking into the output after lexical analysis. But before doing this, you have to install the Clang and LLVM, or you can say all the tools or supporting packages of LLVM. Now, if you want to see what is written in demo.c, you can see here now I can use another command also, cat demo.c. This is the file, or you can say this is the content in demo.c file. In this case, you can see the tokens are what? Int main, parenthesis, int a, this one assignment 2, comma b, assignment 3, semicolon, like that. When you want to see what the command that is required to see the output of lexical analysis, this is the command. You have to write, I have installed Clang 5.0 in my system. Clang, this is the command which you can write to see the output of the demo.c after lexical analysis. When you write this command, you will see the output. You can see here in this file identifier A. That means A is identifier. equal this one assignment. Numeric constant 2. So the token is what? Numeric constant corresponding to comma comma identifier B equal assignment. Numeric constant 3. And in this way you can see the tokens that are used here in this file after lexical analysis. So this is the output of demo.c after lexical analysis. Now if you want to see the output of the file after syntax or semantic analysis, you have to go this directory which I have just already written the code and the command. You can use this. We can use this cd syntax, this one. When you see here, there is a file demo.c, that is the same file you can see here, demo.c. This is the file, and the command that can be used to see the dump of syntax and semantic analysis, ast dump. You can use in this command, or you can by using this you can also try to build the syntax tree for demo.c. When you run this command, you will see the dump of syntax and semantic analysis phase. This is the this is the dump. If you are able to understand, it will be better, but when you want to see, just try to find out the syntax tree, then you will be able to understand more precisely. Now suppose that you want to see the output of intermediate code generation phase, cd icg and ls, this one demo.c. this is the same file, and the command which can be used here is clang demo.c, this one emit llvm. You can see this one command. Just run this command, you will see here the output. The program clang is currently, and sorry, this is clang and 5.0. You can see now this file is created, demo.ll. Just open this file, demo.ll. You will see this. This is the output of intermediate code generation phase. When you see this file, output of this one, this is the intermediate code. You can see here, this is the intermediate code. Add this one, load i32 into %3 align 4 and like that. This is the intermediate code. You are able, when you will be able to understand this, if you understand the architecture of the machine, and you can say the architecture of the Clang, then you will be able to understand this intermediate code generation. In this way you can use this software, or you can say LLVM project, to develop the compiler also. When you want to develop the compiler, first you have to consider that what are the tokens that are used in your compiler, and you have to find out that what are the operators that will be used in your compiler, what will be the intermediate code, and after this, if you want to optimize the code or not optimize the code, according to that you have to decide that. When you want to optimize the code, you have to write that the algorithm, what are the techniques that you will apply to optimize the code in this way.